Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indian River County in east central Florida, southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palm Bay, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Sebastian, Fells Mare, and Indian River shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Serving Orlando.